So, first and foremost, kailangan natin siyang i-center. Sa pottery, it's about filling. Always fill. How thick or how thin, so you would know when to stop. Okay, dito. Push them both slowly. Strong maglalagay ng pressure. Ako pati ang gagalaw. Slide your hands out. Walang pressure para hindi tulak mo siya palabas habang tinutulak, tinataas, dahan-dahan. One more time. Tulak. Up. Tulak. Go straight up. Up to the top. Okay. Sige, tulak mo pa dyan. Tulak. Alright. Sige lang. Up. Up to the top. Up. At the very, very tip. Stay a second. And then release. Ayos. Good job. Baba mo to. Okay. Flat.
Wow.